New at 5 o'clock, state employees are reacting to the proposed North Carolina budget.
They're livid, and they should be very, very angry.
That proposal gives some workers big raises while others won't see much more money.
The 2 on Sedo's Ben Briscoe explains their concern.
House and Senate leaders say under the agreement, members of law enforcement will get raises between 10 to 20%. Teachers will get an average pay raise of 8%, then all other state employees will get around 3%. That other category includes everything from DMV workers to nurses with the Department of Health and Human Services and admins who process paperwork for new businesses at the Secretary of State's office. The State Employees Association in North Carolina says those workers also deserve more pay.
There are cherry-picked areas where the legislators did the right thing. They just did it where it's politically the most popular. So it's very easy to relate to the work police officers do or teachers do. It's very difficult to relate to the work state employees do until they're not there. In the case of DMV being a great example. When we don't have enough of them and there's long lines, people are upset.
I reached out to Senate and House leadership for a reaction. While we wait, here's how the Speaker of the House explained who's getting a bigger raise at a news conference yesterday.
As to the state employees, this budget includes 3% average raise, but there's greater raises for certain areas of state government where the need is more great.
Not a lot of details there. In fact, state leaders still haven't told us how much the final budget will actually cost. That's in part because the final decisions will be made in committees over the next couple of months. The State Employees Association says if changes are not made to the plan, many workers will be forced to leave their jobs.
The private sector is giving much better salaries in the first place, and then they're giving better raises in the private sector. So to think you can increase the healthcare dramatically, increase the workload dramatically, there's 2 million more North Carolinians over the last 20 years, no more state employees to serve them, and give them piddly raises, they won't stay. Why would they stay?
Coming up at 6 o'clock, hear why the Teachers Association says the raises are not enough either and how much they want instead.